Hey y'all, it's Miss Blaylock back with your Mindful Minute. So today, the simple exercise that we're going to do is yawning. I know you're like, what does that have to do with mindfulness? But hear me out. So we're going to yawn and stretch, and make sure that you do this at least once an hour. Now, even do a fake yawn, even if you can't come up with a real one, and the fake yawn will trigger real ones. And I want you to say ah as you exhale. Notice how a yawn interrupts your thoughts and your feelings, and it brings you back into the present moment. Then stretch, like really stretch, okay? And breathe slowly for at least 10 seconds. Notice any tightness that you may feel, and say ease, or just say hello to that different place where you feel the tightness. Being mindful and not judging it, but just noticing where you feel the tightness. And then take another 20 seconds to notice, and then get right back to what you're doing. So again, you're going to yawn, excuse me. And then when you exhale, you're going to say ah, and then stretch. And notice where you may feel tightness in your body, and just notice it. Don't judge it. Just pay attention to where it is, and then you can get back to doing whatever else you're doing. So I hope this is helpful, and I'll see you next time with our Mindful Minute. Take care.